In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a Slack workspace icon. If you're a workspace admin and want to give your Slack environment a personal touch, adjusting its icon is a simple yet effective way to do just that. So let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up Slack and look for your workspace name. You'll find it on the top left of your screen, right there in the sidebar. Clicking on your workspace name will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From there, navigate to the section labeled Tools and Settings. This section is key because it houses the various customization options that allow you to really make your workspace your own. Once you're in the Tools and Settings menu, the next stop is Customize Workspace. Clicking on that will open up a new window filled with a variety of options for making your workspace just right for your team. But for today, we're focusing on the workspace icon, so click on the Workspace icon tab. This is where the magic happens. Now it's time to upload a new image for your workspace. Whether it's your company logo, a project-related graphic, or any image that resonates with your team, just make sure it's clear and represents your workspace well. Click on Upload and select the image file from your computer. Slack supports several image formats, so you should not have any hurdles in that aspect. After your image is uploaded, you won't be able to simply use it as is. It needs a little editing. Slack provides a straightforward cropping tool that allows you to trim and adjust the image so that it fits neatly as your workspace icon. This ensures that your icon looks professional and well fitted. You'll see an option to drag and resize the borders. And when you're content with how the image appears, go ahead and hit the crop icon button. This will save your changes and set the new image as your workspace icon. It's a small change, but one that can have a big impact on how your workspace feels every time you and your team log in. As a reminder, you need to be a workspace admin to complete this. If you're not, you might want to pass this task on to someone who is. And that's it. You're all set with a fresh, customized look for your Slack workspace. Personalized touches like these can reinforce your team's identity and add a dash of uniqueness to your daily communication. Thank you for following along on how to add or change a Slack workspace icon.